Hello and welcome to the workshop. Today we're going to be taking a very quick look at one of these. Not the Dremel, but the SpeedClic Mandrel. This is the Dremel SpeedClic Mandrel. And when you take a closer look at it, you can see that it's got a springy collar. The centre of it is hourglass shaped, which matches up with the centre of the cutting discs. With the Dremel unplugged or the battery out, secure the mandrel into the Dremel. It's so much easier to attach the discs onto the mandrel when it's fixed into the Dremel. Then it's just a matter of lining up the hole with the centre of the mandrel, giving it a push and a twist, and it will click into place. Once you've had a couple of goes, it becomes really easy, so just have a practice. Your Dremel's now ready to start cutting. I hope you found that useful, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Now if you have any more Dremel related questions, please drop them in the comments below and I'll be able to answer them for you, maybe even with a video like this. And if you're into making, please head over to the Dremel UK YouTube channel where we have a monthly live show. We talk about all things Dremel, you get to meet some fantastic makers and see the type of projects that they've been working on. See you next time, love you.